Morning students, I am back with your grammar chapter 20 conjunction. Conjunction you have been learning right from standard first. So you are aware of this topic conjunction. Now read these sentences. The phone rang and Tara answered it. Do you work or I will punish you? He is free now so he is watching TV. These words and or so because though although until unless which are used to join one group of words to another are called conjunction. Latin con of together plus junction join. So it's work like a bridge. A conjunction is a word that joins words or group of words. Let us discuss exercise 1. Fill in the blank with the appropriate conjunction. Anju looks nice as she takes care of herself. She helped her mother so dinner got ready early. You cannot go for a movie until you finish your work. Jai was angry but he controlled his temper. You will not do well unless you practice hard. Join the sentences using conjunction. One has been done for you. Jaren loved to play cricket. He does not like to field. Here two sentences are given and you have to add the word which join the sentence. Jaren loves to play cricket, but you have to connect these two sentences you have to use the word but. So the sentence will be Jaren loves to play cricket, but he does like to field. Okay, here. Second, the cow is brown, the calf is white. Here to join two sentences you have to use the word but, and the sentence will be the cow is brown but the calf is white. Now here, Zack bought a log, Zack bought a lamb. Here to join these two sentences you have to use the word and the sentence will be Zack bought a log and a lamb. All the plants died, it did not rain. Here to join the sentence you will use as it, as the word as. So the sentence will be all the plants died as it did not rain. Next, she went to play. Her mother had asked her to tidy her room. Here to join the sentences you will use the word although. That is, she went to play although her mother had asked her to tidy her room. She was ill. She went out in the rain. Here to join these sentences you will use the word first only you have to use the word though. Though she was ill, she went out in the rain. Now conjunction of time. As read the sentences below. As soon as I left the tremors, I ran out of the house. Second, please ask Pari to call me after she finishes her homework. In the above sentences, the word in italic are conjunction which tells us when an event is occurring. These are known as a conjunction of time. Before, after, while, whenever, when, as soon as, and until are the conjunction of time. Exercise 3. We shall discuss exercise 3. Complete the following sentences using the conjunction given in the box below. Until, before, when, while, as soon as, whenever. Now, the first. You will not go to play before 7. Alice left while the party was on. The bus arrived as soon as we reached. Look for the book when you reach there. You are sleeping until he arrived. You want to eat whenever you are hungry. Now, these are the sentences which was based on time. Now, conjunction of reasons. Read the following sentences. Let us leave early so that we reach on time. The teacher liked him because he was polite and well behaved. In all the above sentences, the conjunctions are answering the question why. They are conjunction of reasons. The word because, so, as, since, and for are conjunction of reason. Exercise 4. Rewrite the sentence given below in your notebook using the correct conjunction of reason. First, so that it was raining heavily, I could not go for a walk. Here I shall I shall write the answer when I give you this exercise in your WhatsApp group. Now, some conjunctions are used in pair as both and. Both Shubham and Anne had a sandwich, either or, either take it or leave it, neither nor. It is neither useful nor ornamental. Whether or, I do not care whether you go or stay. Not only but also. Not only is he foolish but also obstinate. Now exercise 5. Underline the conjunction in the following sentences. Here either you or I must go. Here underline either and or. I don't know whether he is there or not. Here you have to underline whether or. Neither Rama nor Hari broke the window. Here underline neither and nor. He visited not only Agra but also Delhi. Here you have to underline not only and but also. The man is neither wealthy nor wise, neither and nor. Underline these two words. Either you are mistaken or I am. Here you have to underline either and or. I shall go whether you come or not. Here whether and or. Could you lend either a pen or a pencil? Here you have to underline either and or. How can we be healthy both in mind and body? Here you have to underline both and. How can you write if you have neither a pen nor a pencil, neither and nor? So are you clear with two types of conjunction, that is of time and reasons? Thank you, and try to do all the exercise. Thank you.